Yo!
Hola chat developers.
How you doing?
Hello.
Good morning. Finally, man. Finally! Oh. Good morning.
Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger. Good game will sell nonetheless. The money will come to you.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Cakez just subscribed.
Yo.
Thanks
Good
to
morning.
Mr. Elmida for my sub gift.
I appreciate it, Mr. Amida.
Cakez
What a
got
giga
0
chat.
res, and that demo's never dropping.
Hey, Cakez5, how long is your sub lasting, bro? Do you have like a year sub? It says 7 months. That's crazy, bro. How you guys doing? Good morning, man. Good morning. Holy, finally. Yeah! We back! We back, ladies and gentlemen. We back live. Hell yeah, brother. Woo! I think he I think he gifted 1 year. Bro. Day 1 of 7. Let's go. Hell yeah. So, first and foremost, number one. My brothers. I should have time for the next 7 days to stream and work on the game. I have literally spent the last week grinding my work so that I could hopefully be done by today and we can work on the game. And so if everything works out, if everything works out, then I should be done for the next week till the 3rd of February. I have to do some tiny things, but these are minuscule in comparison to what I had to do. So hopefully we'll be able to do it. Streaming on weekends, we'll have to see. I'm gonna have to ask my wife if I can do that. We'll see. Maybe. In light of the demo, that might be a good idea to do, actually. But yeah. Bro, man, holy. That was a lot of work. I'm gonna tell you guys. Holy. But hopefully it's done now. And we can move on, you know. Hopefully. Yeah, because the weekend is usually family time, bro. And also, I need some days to catch up with the YouTube stuff. So, for example, right now I have 7 Twitch recordings. Or 8 or something. That need to be turned into YouTube videos. And of course I need to do that because that's more important than being live on Twitch. For the future, right? However, we also need to work on the demo. Which, where is this? So yeah. Goodness, man. I'm telling you guys, I literally worked all day yesterday and almost, well, all day on Tuesday too, but not for my work only. Man, this job, listen, I have a contract for 40 hours a week, right? Sorry, a month, which is 10 hours a week. I have spent, I've written down the time yesterday because I need to send them the time, right? I have spent 85 hours in 3 weeks on that job. I way overwork. Way overwork. Now I'm getting paid for these, that's nice. But that's just way too much. In the contract says 10 hours a week, not 40 or 20 or 30, right? It's crazy, bro. That, yeah. But I should have 2 weeks off now and we'll have time. Man, I have to tell you guys, obviously I watched some streams offline, right? Not many, but I saw Quinn69 start play World of Warcraft, man. Ooh, man, it made me want to play the game too, bro. God! But I can't, bro. I can't. We need to work on the demo. Need to work on the demo, guys. Take it off? Just work less? I can't, bro. So the thing is, I had to fix a problem with the customer. So I can't just work less. That's not how it works, bro. Unfortunately. If the customer cannot work then I cannot say, well, whatever, don't care. That's the problem with the job. That's the biggest problem. Well, it's an old game, do something new. Yeah, but it's interesting. See, like, you have a misconception of old game equals bad, brother. I think old games are the best games that we have. Apart from a couple new games, the old games that we played 15 years ago, 10 years ago, these are the good ones. These are the gems. These are the games that we should look at when we want to make new games. Especially when it comes to gameplay. Because back then, see, like, that's how it works, right? Back then, they didn't have much, they didn't have a lot of computational power on the system available. So what they had to do was, they needed to make gameplay so good that the graphics didn't matter. And that's why games back then were better than today's games. In general, I'm not talking about outliers here and there. I say in general because they couldn't focus as much on graphics because they didn't have the power. The kid couldn't do it. And so they needed to work on gameplay more. And often back then it wasn't as cooperative as it is now. Which obviously, right, once corporations saw that they could make money with games, of course they chime in, right?
The money will
I was a
come
beta
to
tester for WoW, got to play for free for a few months.
Sixes work, really?
Guys, bro, we should. What is this clip? What? I'm in trouble. I'm copying Bluetooth. Dota 1 was great with Pixel. Bro, Dota 1, man. Oh, I'm telling you, the best game, one of the best games ever, Warcraft 3. You make such a game today, holy, it will be successful. Isn't there a game that is like, in a way, like Warcraft 3? What is the game called, guys? You linked that to me. I did a reaction to... Where is that? I did a reaction to... Oof. Not StarCraft, guys. StarCraft had this other game that kinda was made by Blizzard employees. Guys, come on, help me out here. Help a brother out. And on YouTube, you guys, Pi, Hazim, Toxic Champion, Brabav, Poseidon, and Daniel. Welcome. Good morning. Hello! Yay! Finally, I can fucking play and stream! Sorry. Okay. Stormgate, yeah, Stormgate.
Cakez.
Does it have better reviews by now? 6 out of 10? Holy shit. Why is that so bad? What? Why? Dude. Oh, by the way, sorry, I totally missed that orc. Thank you so much for the raid. Good morning, bro. How's it going? Thank you so much. Did you get a shout out? So I totally missed that, my man. I'm so sorry.
Thank you. Why did you shout out this guy that just raided me? Now it seems like I'm such a big asshole that doesn't even shout out raiders anymore. Out of touch, big cock streamer. Doesn't look at small streamers and bets the other way. Come on, bro. You gotta do your job and make me look better than that, bro.
We talk about. Thank you. All good? Thank you. Okay. People mostly don't like that People mostly don't like that it doesn't bring much new mechanics or originality and the art style is way too cartoony. I see. So guys, I have a question for you. Instead of this art style, right? What if it had art style like Warcraft 3? What if it had an art style like this? Would you guys like the game more? Oh god, this looks so good, man. Holy, Blizzard is such a dumpster fire now, man. No? Look at the colors even, man. What even is this, bro? It's just that's like a pimple on my face, man. Bro, I'm telling you, that was the days, bro. I always played undead. I always played this race. I loved Undead. And my smallest brother, he was an orc guy. He would always go for the Blade Master. And that stupid champion would always crit my guys, man. And then when I think I can kill him, he's like, invisible, running away. Hate that shit. Bruh. This looks... I don't know what it is. It is kind of cartoony art style, but it just looks... So, I don't know what it is. Can you guys pinpoint this? Why does this look like a cartoon? And why does this look real? Even though this is obviously also cartoonish. No edges? Smooth? The shadows? Contrast? So it's crazy, right? And just look at this. I need a better image. Warcraft 3 Undead. Bro. I don't know what it is, man. I have a feeling that in Blizzard, back in the day, they just had these amazingly talented artists. Wait, is this reforged? That's not reforged. That's the original game, bro. But is that reforged that I'm looking at? That's not reforged. That's the original game. That's reforged? That is reforged? Wait, is it? I can't tell, bro. So then that does look good. Then I'm wrong. That does look good. Yeah, it is reforged. They didn't change anything in it, lol. Oh, so they didn't change anything is what you're saying. It's just higher definition? More pixels? The Stormgate environment reminds me of Planetary Inhalation Titans, which also looks very good. It looks a little off. No, I think it looks good, man. This looks good. How long do you think it will take a solo developer to develop StarCraft 2 or Warcraft 3 RTS with low assets, with low spec assets? If you have someone make the assets for you, it would probably still take you very, very long time simply because of internet issues. It would take a long time because it's multiplayer. And if you have never made a game before, you're a solo developer, you're gonna spend the first year learning how to make a game. And so don't make the mistake that so many people do by making a multiplayer as your first game. Guys, how did Kenshi start? God, I'm so happy to be back, you guys. I'm so fucking happy, Kenshi. How did that game start, you guys? Roughly 3 years for skilled person. Oh, we watched that. I don't agree with that sentiment. Because, like, how did this game start? Does anyone of you have the knowledge? Does anyone of you have the lore for this game? I know that he went into early access quite a bit of time ago. Kenshi doesn't use Ogre? What is Ogre? So this is when the game came out, right? Into early access. It looks like the Steam page... I don't know how long the Steam page exists. Why is that broken? What, huh? What happened? Oh, maybe they didn't have data collection here? Hi, Cakez. Hey, Dancing China. Good morning, bro. Watch this, Cakez, you will understand. There's a video on YouTube explaining Blizzard's art style. Basically, they use more edgy shapes and non-flat textures. Yeah, you need to link that to me on Discord. I'm not gonna try to find a random video on the internet now. It's gonna take too long. Ogre is a legacy C++ graphics library. I actually had to do work at my job yesterday because you weren't live. Okay, bro. Bro, I worked all day yesterday. I worked, I think 16, 17 hours or something. That was crazy, but I wanted to get it done. And I think I'm done now, when now we have finally time Man, I miss streaming, right? I miss just being able to stream and then just doing YouTube. I miss that so much. I had such a privileged position. And we need to get rid of the baby. My wife needs to go back to job so I can do that. Nah, never mind. It's not true. No! Of course not. Make the baby work, yeah. Kenshi started by Chris Hunt getting all the knowledge of the universe downloaded into his mind, and God blessed his body with never needing sleep or food. Okay, so I would love to talk to this guy. Is Kenshi written in C++, guys? Ogre engine. Oh, I see. Is that even right? Is it still the Ogre engine? Or did he extend this? Ogre 3D is used for some bigger games. I believe Torchlight was using it. Torchlight? Really? Torchlight 1? Oh, guys. Then we need to take a look at the Ogre engine. What does it look like? So it's an actual open source graphics library? Engine. Oh, why you gonna blind me like that? Stop it. Okay. I wanna see pictures. Why don't they have pictures of the engine here? Features? Maybe here. Blah, blah, blah. I'm not reading this.
Immediately and then
I'm
go
not
back
reading
in.
this, bro. Showcase. That's what I want. I want pictures. I don't care about some written text. I just want to see how it looks. Wings Blaster. Okay, level 1. Starship level editor. So it's an actual engine? That does look good, man. Holy. That's crazy. I want to see more of the engine itself. I mean, it's an old style of game, yeah, I guess. Is Ogre engine good? There's no UI? Wait, it literally showed you when you clicked on the Ogre engine what games use it. Look at Temple OS, no. My RTS took 1.5 years from scratch to prototype, and I assume it would take me about once as much to get some StarCraft 2, Warcraft 3 amount of content, so 3 years. But yeah, multiplayer would have to add probably 1 more year if I had to do it myself. Yeah, so what game are we talking about? Raw Lands? And hey Zend, good morning. Can you link your game? They're using Unreal Engine now for Kenshi 2, I think. Kenshi 2? Kenshi what? There's no Kenshi 2. What are you talking about? Oh my god. Bro, I gotta be careful what I click on here. Holy. Kenshi Ninja? What? Bro, what does Kenshi mean? Why is there so many debated ones? Huh? Kenshi 2 is in development. Store. Isn't this in early access? Oh, it's out, actually. The game is out. When was the last update? April 3rd. Wait, it's out. I see. Is it still rising in players? It's going down a bit. What is this dip? Servers down? Man, this guy's made such a cool game. It's so inspiring to see, bro. He started 2013, maybe even a couple of years before that. I want to talk to the guy in the future, man. That would be awesome. Just ask him like how it went, how his C++ knowledge was, how he basically survived before he started earning money from his game. That would be so awesome. RTS game of the Cheddar Cakes. Oh, I see. That's the game I was gonna play. Yeah, bro, I have to play the game tomorrow. It's 2 PM already today. Tomorrow I will have the time. I know I keep saying tomorrow, but that's what we're gonna play tomorrow, guys. Now I'm locked in. I'm too late today. I had to basically make sure that I can work uninterrupted for the next couple of days. So I had to do a bunch of phone calls, a bunch of things, make sure that they work and give feedback. And so I had to do it until then. There was no way to put this off because now we are hopefully free to do stuff. So I'm so sorry if I keep delaying this. But yeah, looks interesting, your game. I like RTS games. And this kind of looks like Command and Conquer. Yeah, but we'll take a look at that tomorrow. Yeah. You know what this reminds me of? I Am Robot and Frostpunk. He gifted me Frostpunk on Steam, and then every single day after he gifted me Frostpunk, he's like, "Hey, Cakez, have you played Frostpunk yet? Oh, you seem to have trouble developing your game. Why don't you play Frostpunk?" He would say that every single day. I was like, bro, take your game back, man. I don't want it anymore. Listen. It's like someone joining your birthday party. They gift you a pullover or something, and then every day they come to you. It's like, why don't you wear my pullover? What's going on? Why don't you wear my hoodie? Well, I bought that hoodie just for you. It's a good hoodie, man. Why don't you wear that? Because I don't want to wear this right now. Okay, bro? Wait! Not one hidden rat on the menu image. So the rats are not here is because, number one, this image. Do you guys really think that I drew this image? Chat. Ah, come on. At least one should say yes. Right? Zent, thank you. 0%. Okay. So, no, I did not draw this image. Nah, sorry, zero chance. So, wait a minute, guys. I do not want to leak Discord DMs. And I know that Discord is going to open up in the main menu, so I'm just going to have to black out my screen really quickly. I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay, we good. We good. No, we good. I don't want to leak anything, you know. So, bro, I have so many DMs. I'm so sorry if I don't answer you guys. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So for those of you who know him, and I'm just gonna show the image. Where is it? Haskas has made this image. He has been working really hard on making a capsule image for me, for my game. And he got to a point where he had this in Krita, but he didn't like it. So now he's trying a different way of drawing this in a different way. Like, I'm not going to go into the details because I don't even understand them all. But I was so surprised that he showed me this because I thought that I was going to have to draw this myself. And this looks amazing. It went over many iterations, you know. He drew this in the beginning, then Nynx tried to draw it a little bit, then she stopped. Then I asked him again, and now he's drawing it again. And I thought what would be cool is if I put this, since this is the furthest along that he's gotten, if I put this into my game, yeah, it looks so amazing that I want to have this in my game because it's that good. Exactly. And so I want to have a main menu like some other popular tower defense game that has a big start button in the middle, and when you start the game, it shows you a menu somewhat like this that is animated with, you know, the different parts moving independently of each other. And so off stream yesterday, once I was finally done with my work, I started I started working on downscaling this image to the base resolution of my game, which is 690 by 360, I believe. Yes. And so this is the frame. And the cool thing is I started redrawing these outlines in pixel art shapes, and I think I've done everything already. So for example, I have the Tangy's outlines here. You see this? That's the outline for the Tangy's. Then I have the Tangy TD outline, which I guess it's missing this one here as well. Let me see here. Yeah, it's certainly missing this. Let me add that really quickly. Something like that. Yeah, like this, right? So I've added these outlines in. And then for the skeletons too, you can see here, if I zoom in a little bit, And then for the background as well. We zoom in here. Oh, and the bats, of course. The bats as well. And the skeletons. And the background. And I wasn't finished with the background yet. I still have to do the road. But what I want to do today is start filling in. I want to kind of keep the color. Mostly because I like it. But some parts, for example, of the mountain needs to have the color fixed a little bit. These blocks here, these are wooden things. They need to be updated to be wood. And so I want to color in a little bit more of this. It doesn't need to look perfect. And then what I want to do is take parts of this image, like for example from the skeletons, right? Take this part here. Copy that over somewhere. Let's say here. And then make this move independently, let's say up and down. Like this. From the rest of the main menu. And then basically splice, not splice, in an animation, yes. Basically chunk this into different pieces, into different sprites, position them properly in the image so they perfectly overlap. That will be a bunch of hard-coded positions, of course. The same goes for the Tangy defense, whatever that's called. Whatever that's called. Thing. And so yeah, that will be a lot of work today. So yeah, let's... You can't make this up. The second I want to start, someone is at the door ringing the doorbell. And you cannot make this up. It's impossible. I can't believe this. Oh shit, I'm so relax. Wait, he's dead. He's dead. Wait, I won, right? Did I win? We mutually killed each other. Ooh, double hot sauce. I like that. Which library you use? Oh, I see. I have written my own code to do that. I have followed this principle here. Not this one. Cakes, Control Shift W. You're bad. Actually bad. You're fucking asshole. Fuck you, man! Just leave me alone and let me do this, okay? Fucking asshole. My god. I need to find this out today, okay? I don't need distractions. Yeah. 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 Oh no. No. I'm not falling down again, guys. Oh! 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 Huh? No, I need a W, you know? I need a dick. I need a big fan. Is it difficult to make animations on custom engine, or do you use a lot of design patterns? For example, when you open the box on the right, makes it animation, not just pop up the image. Bro. So you mean this animation right here? Is it difficult to make this animation? So good, brother.
Why does this always happen, man?
Stop it! Please! Stop fucking doing that to me every time I want to show something!
we
God
done?
damn it, bro! I can't believe this!
We have.
I'm gonna get very close. What are you gonna do? Was it from work?
Nah, my wife came home. The wife came home.
How do I get this done, man?
He's exhausted, bro. I'm getting.
I can't dodge!
I'm getting fat, bro.
Listen, this stress is not healthy. It is absolutely unhealthy. I'm telling you guys. If you have that much stress going on in your life, you need to change something. I'm telling you. That is absolutely not healthy. In the long run, you'll die. So I'm so happy that I can probably... I still have to send them, of course, whatever that's called. The Rechnung in English? What is Rechnung in English, you guys? Invoice? Is that an invoice? Invoice, yeah. I still have to send them the invoice. And then I'm getting paid for 2 months, which is great. Makes me happy. Gonna save up some money. And maybe we can, maybe we can pay someone to do something. Or we save it, right, for the car. We need to buy a new car. Because ours broke. Well, I'm telling you guys, it's not healthy with this much stress. It's crazy. Alright, so what I'm doing here right now really quickly is building the road. Make sure that that looks great and all. And then what we're gonna do is paint the road as well. I'm telling you guys, Haas Cars, I so want to work together with this guy in the future. If he can be consistent, of course, right? We'll have to figure out a solution there. He needs to be consistent. Because, man, he is so... Guys, from 1 to 10. This is a sketch, of course. What is this? From 1 to 10. Do they pay well at least? Good enough. Otherwise, I wouldn't do it. 9 at least.
Damn, this
9.
is actually looking good.
Yeah, I'm telling you
Easily
guys.
a mixed review / mostly positive.
9. 9, 8. Yeah. DEI, ugly female. 10, but you have to pay him accordingly, Cakez. I wanted to pay him, didn't want to have anything. I can ask him again, bro, of course. I told him that I wanted to pay him, but he said that he wants to work together in the future. He's a 3D artist. They're saying 9, not 9? 9 for design. You should send an invoice to the guys ringing on the door every day. You're disrupting you, yeah. Exactly. Bro, late to stream, late to releasing the demo, and will late. Can't be a cake stream without Inukai trolling, yeah, true. If I review Tangy Defense demo on Steam, will you react to it? I will react to you making a video about my game, whether that be public or unlisted, showing the process of you going through the game and getting stuck or figuring things out. That's what I will react to, yes. That's why I will do this in the next couple of days. We'll do some poll on Discord probably, and then I'm gonna send you guys a copy privately before I make it an open demo version. There will be a private demo coming out before the next month, for sure. And then that will be public after that. First, I wanted to have it private a little bit, fix some of the glaring issues from you guys' feedback, and then I'll make it public. But let's get to work. So what we need to do here is, we need to draw, number one, we need to draw a road on the background. So this right here is like the grass background thing that we still have to draw to. We kind of have a little bit of an outline, and I have the, let me see. I still have the reference image too. Let me make sure that we have that here. You see how that's supposed to be grass, right? But this is a very high definition image. So we can't really use that, or I have to use it as a, whatever that's called, reference, right? And then we zoom in. Then we'll just try to match it a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. It really does not, because it's not that important. What is important is that we have the general outline. Cakez, if you're releasing a private demo first, why not work on the main menu after our feedback? Because I have literally been playing my game off stream for so many hours that I need a small break from that. And I think doing something visual for once on stream is also cool. So we will do some gameplay today too, but bro, I need a small break from that, you know, and art calms me down. I just love doing art. It's cool. So that's why. And listen, man, I want to release a quality product, okay? And for me, a quality product includes a nice main menu. That's just the truth. If I don't have a nice main menu, then I feel like I'm not doing good. I'm not doing you guys a service. I feel like I'm giving you trash when I don't want to do that. You know what I can see myself doing in the future? And also, I just love tracing. I don't know what it is. I have to have done this. Have you guys ever done this as a kid as well? You traced a bunch of art. And then you try to learn how to draw. And what you did is you would just trace a lot of existing. So you would have a paper, put it on the desk. And then below that paper, you would put something that you would want to draw. So for me, that would be Dragon Ball Z characters. Trace equals yoink. Yeah, but you're saying that you're yoinking as a kid? I think that's awesome. There you go. Look at the grass. Looks nice. See, it doesn't have to be perfect. I think Haskaz's biggest problem is that he wants it to be perfect, which it doesn't, man. It doesn't. He already builds perfect. He already builds perfect stuff, man. It's crazy. Let's do some grass here too. See, but that's the problem with artists, and I guess with myself too. They want to have it so perfect that it already is perfect. If that makes sense. Right, guys? There you go. It looks awesome, yeah. We know how much you enjoy tracing. Okay. So here is basically the original thing that I need to draw to. I'm on the background right here. So we need to draw this line here. That's easy. Then this is wooden sticks. And then this right here is the road that leads kind of like this. So the arm of the skeleton is right where the road originally was. And then over here, I think the road was, I had it something like that. This was something, the road that I had. That was the road initially. You see this? Let's make that a bit bigger. So that's the idea. That was the idea for the road. And I think, yeah. So that's what I want. Basically leading outside the image towards the user. And so the user looks down the road. So we are essentially attacking the tangerines. That's what I want this to look like. Adding a road is mandatory, not nice. You do not understand how mandatory this road is. Let me show you. You guys think that might be a minor thing. It is so important. I'll show you 2 thumbnails, okay? Valheim. Why are capsules on Steam so... I hate that. There we go. That's the one. Okay. No, alles gut, alles gut. Kein Problem. Ich dachte nur, dass ich laut bin und sie aufwecke. So why can I not find the Steam capsule? Is that that's the biggest image I can get. Wow, that looks terrible. Why is it so blurry, man? It's so bad. Look at this. Is there no better version of this? It's so small, bro. Is that the only thing? Facebook? Holy, why is this so blurry? What's going on here? Am I... Okay. Positive message, edge equals getting roasted. Are we yoinking some art? No, I want to make a point. And I'm stuck finding an image. Bro, thanks for leaking my emails, bitch! Sorry. There we go. I guess that's the best image we're gonna find. Asshole. I hate that so much. I have to stop getting leaked on stream, man. Right now I'm small, so it's not a big deal. But I'm telling you guys, in the future, that's gonna haunt me. I can already tell. It's gonna haunt me in the future. Yeah, art calms me down, but browsing the internet for fucking image is not. That's not art, okay, bro? That's just the stupid fucking internet! It's like yesterday when I tried to find a way to encode a file in a different encoding. You're getting banned, I'm not an idiot. Toxic. 5 minutes, see you later. Hello, Mr. Klaus Greiner, good morning. Okay, so my point was the following. Oh, I can't concentrate. We're gonna wait until my wife is done in the kitchen, stirring a pot with a metal spoon inside of a metal pot. You know that sound that people make with their nails on a chalkboard? That's what I'm hearing right now, in a way. You wanna hear the chalkboard sound of fingernails? I cannot concentrate with that, bro. Absolutely not. So we're gonna wait. No? You don't want to hear this? You're too sensible, sir? Listen, man. Listen, man. I want to see you hold a presentation in front of, let's say, 100 people. And then there's someone behind you talking. I want to see you do that. Now, my wife is making food for Zoe right now. She's been growing strong, man. I'm so proud of her. She's also... I don't know what it is, man. I have a feeling she's the most cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I don't know what it is. It's so crazy, man. The level of cuteness is insane, bro. What do you do, man? Bruh. It's called being a daddy. I don't know, man. It's crazy, bro. It really is. Sounds more enjoyable than a Cakez react. Oh, yeah. Okay. See, like, Inukai has been shit-talking me and my reacts every single day. I have a feeling that I'm living rent-free in his head every waking hour of every single day. And the fact that I do reacts bothers him so much that he has to write it every day. I just don't understand, right? Anyways, let's stop getting distracted and finally do something. So, what was I talking about? So, we were talking about why we need a road here. Why do we need a road in this image? And you might think that it's not important to have that road. It is actually insanely important to have that road. No! To have that road in the image, and here's why. Take a look at this picture from Valheim. This is their thumbnail or capsule art on Steam, and you can see many key factors that identify this game as the game it is. Number one, you can see a fire in the middle that screams at you survival game. That's the first thing. Number two, that is very dark outside of the main part of the image, which also leads to believe that outside of this fire, it is a rough world and you're most likely going to perish and die. It's foggy, it's dark, you can see an animal in the background, so it's something there. And then another key factor that is often overlooked, but is very important, is what type of game or what time zone the game is. What is the, how do you say that? So guys, what is the qualifying word for Vikings? What... I don't want to say race, because that comes off as the wrong word for this. Era. Yeah. You can pinpoint the era just by looking at the image, because we have a Viking shield, we have a Viking spear, and we have bearded dudes around a fire that look like Vikings. And so that is, with just one glance, all of this information is transmitted to you without you even knowing what's actually happening. And so you can tell immediately that this is a survival game. And so, bringing this back to my capsule here. A tower defense game. How do you identify a tower defense game? Well, a tower defense game has enemies and units and a road the enemies walk on. So we have the towers here, we have the enemies here. It's missing a road. Look at this. Balloons. TD 5. Steam. Images. Where is this? Thumbnail? Thumbnail. This right here. This for the... I'm gonna lose my mind if this is another small image, but it's advertising itself as 1080p. Open the image. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm actually gonna lose my mind. This image is the biggest... Wait, how do you say that? This is the inspiration for my tower defense game capsule. You can see the biggest... How do you say that? The center of attention is the road. It has a very high contrast to the grass, and you can immediately make out that there are balloons running around, that there are balloons running along the path towards the exit, and then these monkeys will defend it. Just trace this image, and so that's why a road is so important, because it is a key factor in identifying the type of game that you have. And if you make a Steam capsule, you should think about the objects to put into the capsule that will identify your game without the player having to think about it at all. They see it and they know immediately. When your capsule doesn't tell what the game is about, it raises more questions and it will lead to less wish lists, aka less sales. People will click less on it because they don't understand what it is. That's just how it is. Keep yapping and this main menu is going to take 3 days. It is how it is, bro. Okay, I'm just happy that I can finally stream! So don't care, man! If I don't make this... If I don't finish this on stream, we're just gonna make it off stream. It's fine. I'm just gonna continue doing it off stream. That's totally okay. So anyways, let's continue here. Do they protect the fruit field? Is the female shield Tangy smile based on Mike Tyson? No, Haskars drew this. You have to ask him, man. I like it. Looks really good, man. The colors... I'm terrible with the colors, but man, it looks amazing. By the way, I don't know what he meant to draw here. I think this is a bush. To be honest, you guys, I have no clue what he meant to draw here. So I must assume that he meant to make a bush here, right? George W. Bush? Yeah, that looks like a bush, yeah. So we have that, true. So guys, how was yesterday? Without the stream. I apologize again. It's been too much work, but we are hopefully done now. Boring? Really? Wasn't Coffee Lava online or something? I think Coffee Lava was online yesterday, wasn't he? Or was he not? I don't remember. Was he online? I actually had to write code at work. Maybe you should add some gold. Then on the path. What we're gonna do on the path is... We can figure this out. I can put reds on the path too. That's fine, right? The path is big. There's a lot of space in there still. But first, we're gonna draw this image here. Alright, let's see here. I don't know how he wanted to draw these, but we have to somehow show that these are wooden, whatever that's called, sticks, I guess. So over here, show the wooden outlines. Oh, also guys, who of you in chat watches Adam C. Eunice? How's this game coming along? I never have time to write him in chat because I don't want to get into a discussion, right? Because usually I have very limited time when I'm off stream, and so I'd rather not spark a discussion. I watch a lot, and how's it going, man? He's been working on his game such a long time, bro. He streams at weird times for me. Yeah, he streams in the morning for me. When I sleep. Will this background be static, or will you make an animated parts to make it more alive, Cakes? That's what we're gonna do, yeah. I have different... look at this here. If I remove the sprite, that's what it looks like right now. Okay, so these are all the traces that I've done so far off stream. And currently we are tracing the blocks here. Look at the skeletons. They completely disappear. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice these skeletons into pieces. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I'm gonna scatter them around here and then animate them independently. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. Whose art is this? This is art by a viewer called Haskars. Very talented dude. Incredibly talented dude. And so what I want to do in the future, working together with him hopefully, is I want him to draw me sketches. Like this is a sketch, right? This is a sketch that he drew on a paper. Or in Krita, whatever. I want him to draw me sketches. And then for static objects, I'm just gonna trace those sketches. Because he's so talented in drawing these very high detailed characters. And let me show you. I want to give him a shout out because he's so incredibly talented, man. And he's just been doing this, right? Tangy Survivors, maybe? Let me find this. Textures? Bro, I don't know where it is. You guys probably hold. Hey, who in chat remembers this? Oh, wait. Who of you remembers this? Who has been here long enough to remember this right here? How do I move this? What are those? Can someone tell me what this is? Me? I don't believe you. Cupertino, you remember this? Looks like cover art instead of just a sketch. Looks the same. First map. A road. So this is a grass background with a road in the middle, yes. And you know what this is? This was my that was actually my second map that I drew in the game. I drew the background. So the way I did this was so bad, right? I drew the background tiles with the tiled editor. For those of you who have ever done anything related to tiling, tiled is an editor where you can place tiles from a tile set. So I placed a bunch of random tiles in tiled with my image dimensions. And then I created an image, a PNG file from this. And then I took that image and I drew, I kid you not, I drew on top of this image the road. This is not a baked in tile set. This is actually just 2 or 3 different tiles. And then I drew the road on top of this. And it took me 5 hours or something on stream to realize that this was a bad approach. That's how I started game development, okay? I've made all the mistakes, bro. Yeah, look at this. So stupid, bro. Oh yeah, this one too. You see this here? That was me drawing the road. So bad, bro. I was such an idiot, bro. Crazy. That's my first map, guys. Look at this. That is my... I drew this image in GIMP. I tried to make some sort of, I don't know, waves happening here. Then I placed a bunch of images in different positions. And I also placed these... This is all done in GIMP, not in a game. That is 3 years ago, something like that. And then I just made waypoints that would match the background image. Hey, Mr. Amida, guten Morgen, bro. I respect you as a developer, but would you make a tower defense game of all things? Why would you make a tower defense game of all things? Because I like tower defense games, man. I'm making the game mostly for myself. I'm trying to make it interesting. And I see a market in a tower defense genre that might earn me a decent chunk of money. But the original idea was I wanted to make a tower defense game, man. That's why. Maybe the game would have been out a year ago if you just went with this approach. No, this approach here is insanely tedious. You can get to one map reasonably fast, but now for the next map you have to completely redraw the entire map. And if you want to do that in pixel art, that is 690 by 1080p, by 360. That is way too much work. Way too much. So no, this approach, I realized after doing a couple of maps that this was not the future. Which is why this is old. Guys, I'm gonna be yapping a lot today, you know. But I want to tell you in all honesty, man, I'm just happy to be streaming. So we're just gonna take it slow, relax, and have a nice little yapping session while I look for Cakez's image. Vampire Survivors in C++. I wonder where I put that. YouTube maybe? So I had Vampire Survivors. Wait, maybe it's in Vampire Survivors. Let's see. So it must be under D's nuts. And then Vampire Survivors. I have this here somewhere. Vampire Survivors for YouTube? Vampire Survivors clone? Uh-oh. Or maybe here. Yeah, I think this is it. Is the A-Sprite file here too? Obviously it's not, but it's called Texture Atlas 01. Okay, let's find that. There must be an A-Sprite file. There we go. There it is. So this is Cakez. Cakez drew me these, by the way, most of these. Watch this. So that's what I can see this happening in the future. Watch this. This is what Cakez drew me. And from these sketches, I managed to draw some incredible pixel art. Look at this. This is all from the sketches he sent me, and then I just drew over these, mostly. Many of these. Those are good. Yeah, look at this. Look at these. Look at this, man. I can put these in my game. Take a look at that. Or this one here. This one looks good. So many good images. This guy is incredibly talented. He's amazing. Look at this, man. This chest right here. Right? That's this. I'm so happy that he ever did anything for me, bro. And so I want to make the most out of what he did for me. Where's the chest? Look at this. That's the chest. That's his chest. It's from here. And then we also have kind of a mimic chest, right? That's cool too. So that's just switched on. Who did them? A viewer in chat called Cakez. Hopefully I spelled this. He's not in chat right now, so let me see. Disable Cakez. It's a difficult name, bro. Cakez. This guy. Right here. Look at these, man. These are incredibly... Look at that. Man. So all I need to do, really, as a pixel... Because I struggle with this so much. I'm terrible at doing this. But I'm good at pixel art. I know how to shade things. I know how to place pixels. I can do that. But I don't have the talent to draw this. Well, I could, but I don't want to spend my time on this. So I can see myself... What is this, by the way? Is this just a bunch of rocks? Oh my god, look at this tree, man. Oh my god, it's so amazing. What's that, bro? That looks amazing. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. That could be an enemy in the game, guys. Look at this. So yeah, that's crazy. See this? That's me. That's me, bro. Okay, I can do some basic shapes, brother. Yikes. Yeah. Anyways, let's move on. So yeah, that's where the image came from. The one that you see on YouTube as a thumbnail. And the one that we are working on right now. I'm so happy. So I want to make the most out of this. This guy is insane, man. So yeah, let's keep going. Cakez, how are you today? Very good maps. Ha ha ha. Thank you. Good. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing good too, bro. I'm doing good. I have hopefully finished all the shitty work that I had to do, and we can just focus on the game. Let's just not do this, whatever. Now this is gonna be a bit more difficult to do, because here we kind of have these lead into the grass, right? So there could be some issues with this. And also the mage is kind of in the... Wait, is this supposed to be from the mage? Is this... What is this? Is this his hand? I think that's the mage's hand, and then that's his umhang in English. That's his code. Hey, collector of stuff. Good morning, man. I thought I underpaid him because he's... Wait. Fiverr is great if you want to make $5. Maybe he's just an AI engineer and put your words into the system and sent back that image. No, he drew this image. I can tell AI from this... AI would not have been able to make this, bro. Absolute. AI is... No. Absolutely not. AI would not have been able to make this. That is him drawing sketches. And you can see why these are sketches, because sometimes there are mistakes that he made. These are sketches by him. AI would look vastly different. AI wouldn't do this. Absolutely not. So yeah. No way. It's not AI. I have seen AI images, bro. I've actually tested to transform my images into AI, and that looked terrible. AI is not that good yet, bro. Maybe in the future it will be, but for now, no way. Absolutely not, bro. Okay, we're gonna make it so that the umhang kind of has this shape, and then I think this is actually supposed to be the fist of him. Like tossing the fireball or something. That's probably his fist. And then this is the fireball. We need to make sure that in the background layer, I guess that's where the wood ends here. So that's it. And then here we have some more wooden stuff happening as well. But yeah, and then over here, I guess we just continue with some of the grass. Whatever that's supposed to be here. I'm just gonna get rid of that because that looks a little bit too confusing. Then over here we just make some more grass. There you go. Cool. So now we begin with the road. Let's make a basic shape. The road has to somehow start here somewhere. And then I'm gonna make a new layer. Just calling it road. Come on. Road. Sounds like he knew what he was doing. I paid an artist on Fiverr and got a great result I'm very happy with. But I feel very weird about it. I gave them 2,000 words and they just sent back something that's amazing and I don't have critique. I don't know how to do this. Well, then you say thank you very much. Your work looks amazing. And then you move on. I thought I underpaid him because he's in Turkey, but when I converted the money, it turned out after the Fiverr percentage, it was barely two lunches at a regular Turkish restaurant. Well, that's his decision, not yours. You shouldn't feel bad to paying someone on Fiverr that makes the price for you. If he sends you a price, you pay that price, bro. I wouldn't feel bad about it at all. That's on him, man. That's not on you. You looked for someone to do something for you. They did the work. I don't see a problem at all, brother. Absolutely not. They can decide. Let's test this, guys. So I can't... Oh my god. So what do you guys think about this road? when I have this basic outline here. What do you guys think about this? Look good? Huh? Ja, später, danke. Ja. Yeah, okay. Okay, bro. That's good. It's literally a line, bro. Yeah, it's supposed to be the way, bro. It's supposed to be the road. The way, yeah. B. So you can't underpay someone that makes their own prices, bro. That's how I see it. Now, if he chooses to be that cheap, I would just. Now that sounds a little harsh, but I would just. So like that's what happened to me, right? So that's why I guess that's why I don't feel bad about it. I would just abuse the fuck out of this. If he's charging a low price, I would just keep going. Because that's what happened to me. I undercharged for work I did on Fiverr, for pixel art work. I made some characters. And the dude just kept asking me for more characters. And then I realized, wait a minute, he keeps asking me for new characters because I'm stupid and I put too low of a price on what I do. So then I was like, I had a talk with my wife about it. And she was like, so you want to work for an hour on one character and get paid $5. I can give you the $5 and you spend the time with me instead. That's what she told me. And I was like, fair enough. So I'm an idiot for working for $5 an hour. So that's on him, man. Like he should realize that on himself. You shouldn't point him towards that. He needs to realize that himself. I think it's a bit too straight, but fine, I guess. Maybe we make another line here. Yeah, that looks bad. I'm gonna make a straight line. What do you guys think? Huh? For the roads, this line? I think that looks good enough, to be honest. I used to pay $100 for 1 hour. Wait, what did you do, Cakez? Did she give you those $5 though? No, I stopped doing pixel art for this guy. I said that I need to spend my time better because I wasn't spending it very well. That I had too much work to do that paid better, and Fiverr was not something that I would do much longer. That's what I told him. And something along the line. I don't exactly remember what I said, but I said something along those lines. It wasn't paying enough. And then I also realized that, okay, now I'm spending I'm spending time on working for someone else on an hourly basis of $5. And I was like, so I could work for a grocery store and literally get 3 times more money just chilling. Well, you work as a cashier, that's very stressful. Indeed, I have done this in the past, but comparatively, right? There are days when you can just chill on the cash register and just have not much to do. So yeah. All right, guys. So we have a road. We need to color that road. Let's select that first, though. Yeah. Okay. So I made a mistake. Let's just undo everything. Skeletons. Why? Aha, the road doesn't have a connection here. Okay, that's what it is, I guess. But you guys know, guys, I love pixel art. It's amazing. Oh. Would you look at that, brother? Nice little road. Now we can select this part and fill this in with some color. Let's say this for now. There we go. So we first needed to have some sort of, like, it needs to be a better color, but there we go. Did you try raising the price to see if people still wanted your pixels, Cakez? No, I realized that I do like pixel art, but I just didn't want to do it, bro. I just realized that I wanted to do something else. That's essentially what it is. Okay, so now what we need to do here is put the road below the background. Bro, move it below. And then start on the background drawing. Actually, no, that's not true. We need to start adding in grass, I guess, and then merge the road onto the background. There we go, okay. I love this art, usually makes the gameplay more fun. Good work. I will admit, I kind of like the drawing though. Thanks, man. And by the way, guys, thank you very much for following. Factory, Morhur, Gabriel, and Hasagi. Thank you guys for following. I like the dude with the bomb who looks like you. Oh, and sorry guys on YouTube, the chat did not update. Let me see here. Cakez, any thoughts on following one of your C++ tutorials but using Odin instead to make it more interactive learning on my part? That's a great example of doing. You should do that, yes. And whenever there's something in the tutorial where you think you could do something yourself, you should use that as an opportunity to do that, yes. Good idea, bro, Michael. You should do this, yeah. Very good stuff. All right, guys. So the road obviously is too clean. We need to add spiky grass to make it look cooler. Just gonna repeat a bunch of stuff here. It should probably look something like this though. Oh, that's gonna be annoying because yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. I can't just always do that. Did you try raising? Defender looks badly placed. If that is your road, that's fine. That's totally okay. The image still works. I know what you mean, but that's... I think it still works. It's fine, bro. Like, these minuscule things, they don't really matter much. Because we can still... We are still portraying what we want to portray, if that makes sense. Now I just need to add some Zacken here. To make it look good. Why not get the original artist to modify the image? Because he's working on a Steam capsule at the moment. He doesn't have time to work on this. And I want to work on the game, on the main menu. And also, listen, man, he's just been doing this for free, bro. So, bro, listen, this is already way more than what I could even dream of. So, bro, and listen, it's my game, bro. I need to work on this. I need to do this. I will never be as good as him drawing these things, but at least I can work on some parts, like coloring stuff. You know, he's just too amazing for this. Way too good. I don't know if he has some sort of X account or something where you guys can see some of his art. Maybe you guys want to ask him for something. But he's a 3D artist as I think his main job. He's not actually a 2D artist. It's 3D. Yeah, by the way, you see how long it takes just to do this? That's why I stopped doing this stuff right here. Oh my god, what is going on here? Fine, never mind. Yep. Okay, so there's this dude right here. We killed one of them. I'm just gonna keep doing while we listen to those. Easy. You just have to stay on his back. Yeah, that was
This
some bullshit.
bloody mess just shows why you'd flop in.
We're not listening to this.
Uton Morgan Giga good developer.
Ah, thank you, man.
Hello.
Hi.
Saj.
Hey, Mr. Collector of Stuff. Good morning, bro. Hope you're doing good. How's it going, Mr. Collector of Stuff, bro?
Am I so out of touch?
Thank you very much for subscribing,
No.
bro.
Ebb Spider just subscribed.
Wow, man. Big support, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, I'm almost done. See, I'm getting impatient now. This is what tiles take away from you guys. That's why tiles are better to use in this situation. Because you're basically repeating yourself all the time. And then you go over here and you start drawing these things in. And what did I do here? What the hell? What's that supposed to be?
Am I so out of touch? No.
Byte_ul_v2 just subscribed.
My man.
Demo 2026.
What are you talking about, bro? You stupid? Like, don't you see what I'm doing right now? What's this guy mean? Huh? This guy is an actual Dumbo. He can't see what I'm doing right now, man. And guys, I have played my game. I have fixed the Ranger, I think. He feels very fun to play now. I'll show you later if we get to it. And so I managed to make... I have a counter for the skeletons with the Ranger, but he's not too strong against them. So they still are very strong, the skeletons, but we have some sort of a counter now. And so yeah, game's coming along nicely, you guys. And now hopefully, if everything works out, I don't have the customer for my work call me and tell me that it doesn't work at all and it's broken. It just works, and we have literally the next 7, 8, 9, 10 days to work on this. Hopefully uninterrupted, and we still have money from the work coming in, so we don't die. So we are getting there, my brothers. Hell yeah! And Byte UL, thank you very much for subscribing, man. I appreciate it. I really appreciate the support from anyone watching and subscribing. Thank you, guys. Anything, really. All right, let's continue here. Cakez, the demo will be on Steam, right? Will there be a build for Mac? Mac OS build, bro? You think? No, there won't be a Mac OS build. I can tell you that, brother. And I will have a private demo first, you guys. I will email some of you some keys for the demo. I want you to test it and then send me video footage of you testing the game so I can see where I designed the game in a terrible way. You get stuck, and then I need to fix that before I make a public demo and to give that to everyone. And if you want to participate in that playtest, then all you need to do is send me a video. But that will be on Discord. I will do an announcement on Discord. I also have to ask AQ how I could basically build a list of you guys from Discord so that I could send you guys Steam keys to the demo. Maybe, like, AQ is much smarter when it comes to Discord than me, so we'll have to see how we can do that. Right, it shouldn't be too difficult. I think it's fine, but yeah. The demo's not for all. So I said this earlier, I guess I'm gonna repeat it. So essentially the demo will be for everyone once I had a period of, let's say, 1 to 2 to 3 days of you guys testing the demo privately, not publicly, and send me videos. We're gonna watch those videos on stream. I'll see you guys fail. We're gonna have a laugh at you guys, how bad you are. Then I'm gonna tell you guys skill issues.
No.
Firefly just subscribe.
Thank you,
What
Firefly.
is this auto-pay stuff? Make this stop, man.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Auto pay stuff. Make this stop, man. So, oh wait. So you're paying? Oh, I see. Thanks for the money, man. You gotta learn how to unsubscribe then, bro. I can't tell you how to do that. I don't subscribe to any... I'm cheap, bro. So, thanks very much, bro, for getting to unsubscribe, man. Wow. What a nice person. Eh? Bro. Fuck you, Cakes. That's not my fault, bro. If you're too stupid to unsubscribe from my channel, you need to learn how to do that, bro. Thanks for the money, though. I appreciate that. Man. You know, I could really need... I'm pretty sure I could need the money more than you, so it's fine, right? Rich streamer taking money, easy. You just got Bezos. Yeah, of course he got Bezos. Exactly. That's what happens. Bezos was like, let me hold on to that money. You don't know how to use it anyways. Okay, guys, cool. So we just spent 1 million hours doing the first side of the road. Guess what? We have to do the other side too. Ha 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 ha! Fun! But we need to do it. So let's begin. Also, we need to add shading to the road as well later. That's gonna be annoying too. But okay, let's just keep going. The more we just work. Ooh, that looks nice. I like that a lot. Never subbed, never donated. Adblock console and laptop neighbors Wi-Fi. Yeah. Cakes, thanks for the money, you idiot. Cakes 2025. Can someone make me a coffee, please? I need a new one. What is this? Classic C++ string, cross-platform. Computer says no. Casual and cute games are good for Mac audience, no? Yes, but you don't want to spend time on a Mac build when your game sells 1 unit. You will have wasted your time. So first you need to figure out, do you have a game here? Is that something you guys will play? For more than 10 minutes? Yes? Cool. How many guys would play? What are the wish lists after the update? Oh wow, the wish lists go up by 500%. We now have, let's say, 8 wish lists a week. Hell yeah, brother. 8 wish lists? No. We now have 20 wish lists a week. Bro, let's keep going. Yeah, that's when I will think about doing a Mac build. But I would even then, I would do a Linux build first. And why do I say that? Because Linux, you guys, the Linux users, they will tell you everything about their system and their Linux version. So they will tell you Arch, by the way, and then they will tell you everything you need to know in order to fix a bug. So that's like the best QA team that you could ever have, which is what we need when we get towards release. So I will target Linux before I would even think about Mac. Linux will be the next, for sure. Arch, by the way. Yeah, Arch, by the way. Of course. I just love the Linux crowd. They're awesome. And so, yeah. Mac is so far on the back burner that who cares? Really. And as far as I know, don't you have to pay money? Don't you have to pay the Mac assholes money so they put their game so you can release the game on Mac or something? Is that a thing or am I tripping here? Yes? So how does that work? So when I have a Steam build and I support Mac, can't I just upload my game to Steam and say Mac is supported too? I think that's only for iOS. So yeah, for iOS I know for sure that you have to do that. But I don't think you have to do this for Steam games, because Steam should have the rights to pay to how do you say that? To publish a game on Mac. So I don't think you have to pay any extra for Mac on Steam. That would be ridiculous, because then almost no developers would do that. I think that's wrong. It must be iOS, which, yes, you need to pay for the iOS store, of course, if you have a game that is that you can run on the phone, of course. If you don't have a game like that, then no. Of course not. Right. That makes sense. That looks bad, by the way. On the App Store, yeah, but not for Steam, right? I don't think for Steam. That would make no sense. Cakez, may I ask for your personal opinion about, just out of interest, why Raylib over something like SDL? That's just personal preference. Both of them are fine. Raylib is perfectly fine, bro. People make this out to be too much of a choice about the libraries. The most important thing is when you're doing something like that is that you get started. It doesn't matter what you use. You just gotta get started, bro. That's the only thing. And so don't spend too much time on the choice. Just choose something. If it works, great. If not, switch. So let's say you spend 2 days thinking about using Raylib. And you're asking a bunch of questions in let's say, online forums. Should I use Raylib? Should I use... what is it called? SDL? You could have used that time to make a game in Raylib or in SDL. Got yourself familiar with the library, and then made an educated decision on whether you want to try out SDL or not. If you don't like it, you can try out SDL. And so, like, usually with these things, especially in the beginning, it is just so much faster to just... It sounds stupid, but just do something. It doesn't matter how you do it. That is 10 times faster than any advice that someone could give you. Because at the end of the day, this is an opinion. Just like using Unity is an opinion. You should use Unity. No, you should not. If you don't like it, you don't need to use it. Unity is a choice, right? So, you don't want to have someone else tell you what you do, because they don't know. Maybe you don't like Unity. Maybe you tried out Unity and it just isn't for you. That's fine. Maybe Godot is for you, right? Which I wouldn't, but you know, we're gonna check in on her in the future, right? 7 days ago, why I choose Godot, we're gonna check it. 7 days, so we're gonna give her a couple of months. I'll try to keep this tab open, right? Maybe in a couple of months she's like, why I switched over from Godot to Unity, but maybe not, right? We'll see. Depends on the game that you make. And in all honesty, now obviously gameplay is king, right? But I don't like the look of Potato. And that is made in Godot. That is my honest opinion. That is obviously subjective, so that can be wrong. I just don't like how... I have not seen a great... Well, that's not true. Which one was made in Godot? I think Holds of Torment was made in Godot. So that looks really good. I tried Raylib with Go, but I could just see the garbage collection slowdowns, so I went with unsafe Rust, but for my next game I will go with Zik or J. Do you have access to J? You can try J, yeah? Alright guys, so now, what we want to do is very fast, right? Very fast. We want to make shading here. We want to shade the road. Very fast. I don't want to spend too much time on this. So we need to select this color, which is... I guess. So first and foremost, do we want to keep this or do we want to make it darker? What is a good... Alright guys, so we need to lock in a color now. What do you guys think? Darker, so this might be a good color, right? The orange bot Cakes, isn't it just art on the front? You could make the same game look the same in a different engine. I don't get it. Yes, that's true. You're right. I just haven't seen, other than like very, very, very few examples, good-looking games in Godot. Now, listen, I could be totally cooked, right? I'm not saying that my opinion is right. I'm just saying that that's what I've been observing. Alright, let's see here. It's too much, guys, it's too much.
Great to be back to my favorite Vulkan stream.
Hello, my man.
Please keep your functions shorter than 5 lines.
Big retard, don't help.
I think it is too crazy.
What the fuck?
I think the difference between the two colors is too great. Something like that. Why is someone at the door? Why do I get visitors every fucking day I stream? I can't believe this, man. I just cannot believe it. It's insane, man. What is this? Also. It's packages. Debt collectors? No, we don't have debt. So thankfully, bro. That would be crazy. Yeah, I like this. I think I like that. That looks good. Ciao. Piss off, bitch. Don't fucking ring the doorbell anymore when I'm streaming. Okay, fuck off, bitch. I didn't say that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, leave me alone, please. In peace. Mein Schatz, die Tür. Please. Wife! The door! Hallo? Die Tür! Thank you. Appreciate it. Close the door! So, Chad, what do you think? Does this road look good? I'm not clicking on the Cakes Godot arc ending. Mr. Peter. I'm not clicking on this. Zetsu, thank you very much for following, brother. Time to change your door to supermarket once. So now what we're gonna do here is... Oops. I want to somehow... I want this to be more smooth, I guess. Let's see. I don't want to spend too much time on this, but something like that, yeah. See, this is where I'm bad. This is where I would need Taskcast, because he's just 10 times better than me. I don't even know if this looks good or something, right? I'm just doing something. This probably looks like ass, but what am I gonna do? Can you add dithering to smooth it? No, I'm too stupid for that, bro. I don't know how to do that. So anyways, let's take this color. Make that a bit darker. And then add that as a new color. And now we select this. And this. Wait, how's that so dark? So this color. Wait, it got dark so fast? Really? Add that color in. Then we select this and this color. Bro. Yeah, and then this is where we have somewhat of a different shading as well. You know, as it gets closer to you. See, like, this is where I have to ask some specialist or something for this, right? Because I have no clue if this looks good or not. Absolutely no idea. if this looks any good. But yeah. So I don't know how to make that look better, really. Listen, I'm stupid when it comes to this. Like, I know it looks trash, but what am I supposed to do here? Any idea? I know that the light should make the road brighter, but again, I told you, I am not an artist when it comes to this. Try harder. Just keep it one color. Nah, I think that looks bad, bro. I think what I'm gonna do is just... Let's make that a bit smaller. Shit. And all the shadows away from the fireball. I'm gonna probably have to ask someone to fix this image in the future, but because I don't know how to make that look good. Listen, I could figure it out, but I think it would just take too much time. So what I'm gonna do here is just try some things that might work. If they don't, there was something on the stove. Sorry, I have to ask again, but why do you code the Celeste clone in C++ if you code C++ like it's C? Because C++ has some features that I like that are not available in C. The next games I will probably code in C, though. I think I'm choosing the wrong. Bad looking. Can you blend layers in the software? Yeah, you can. Again, guys, if I spend a lot of time on this now, it will take too long. So what we're gonna do here is just get the bare bones done. And then I'll just try to figure it out off stream or find someone that can make this image look better than what I do here. At the end of the day,
my Lord chat.
I think it portrays things good enough, and that's all we need, really. Right, we'll just try out different things. If they work, great. If not, it is how it is, right? There shouldn't be too many things that draw attention to them, but there should also not be too thick of lines. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out, chat. We will. I think it's starting to look decent. My honest opinion. I think we're getting here somewhere. Looking good. And then, yes, we can try. I think this is starting to look good, guys. Not gonna lie. I think this is starting to look nice. Decent. Yeah, right, Sturdy Pose? It looks... Sturdy Pose. It's not bad. 3 pixels, Cakez? 3? Yeah, I thought about 3, but I had too little accuracy with 3. Oh man, I just love art, guys. I don't know what it is about the art, but it just calms me down. I'm also so happy that I have dealt with the stupid work issues, and I know that I basically have money for 2 months and I have time for 1 to 2 weeks. I'm so happy, you guys. Oh, finally. I'm so fucking happy. Maybe we will even get to play some games, you know? Maybe. I don't want to promise anything, because every time I promise anything, life happens. I hate that. So I'm just gonna leave it as maybe. Maybe. But man, I want to play. I'm not gonna lie, World of Warcraft looks juicy. Let's say that, right? It does look very juicy. When I saw Quinn play Rogue yesterday, I was like, bruh, I kinda wanna play too, bro. But yeah, it is how it is. I think I did a really good job here. No homo? What? Will this be used for key art cakes? On Steam or something? I don't know what you mean, key art? So what you guys are saying is this should be illuminated because of the fireball, right? So we should have an illumination area here where the road gets bright, right? Someone in chat playing WoW? Did you do all this art? This is a big level up. No, we talked about this earlier. Someone in chat made this for me. I'm by no means this good with pixel art, no. Eh? What? Oh, I see. But I didn't select this. I selected this color here and this color. So then why are you selecting... Why are you lying, bro? Ah, there it is. Okay. The sides look a bit too samey. I know what you mean. There is no big chunk in the grass that... Where the... Like, it's too perfect. The road's too perfect. Peter, is that what you're saying?
My man, thank you for $5.
My man, Peter.
Now it's money for 2 months and half a kebab.
Appreciate... Yeah, half a kebab, you're right. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate the support, bro. What a giga chat. So, guys, what do you think about this, man? Doesn't that look great? Hmm? Come on! That looks good, doesn't it? Huh? Hey! Did you draw that? No, I did not, brother. I appreciate the 10 bits. I did not draw the sketch of this image. Absolutely not, no. I've been tracing it. Okay, now we take this and we build a nice little orange. That's too bright. I think that's a little too bright, but we can use it. We have to find a nice little... Maybe that? No? So what I'm gonna do here is go towards orange. But... yeah, maybe a little bit more. I think that's fine. That's good enough. 3 different places to change colors. To dark brown since you missed. Below Mike Tyson Tangy. Below the skeleton hand. 3 green pixels or so. Yeah. I appreciate that. Yeah, let me do that. B. So I mean here. Then here. And the last one is... And the third one is above the second head. Oh yeah, thank you. Appreciate it, bro. Looks good. Alright, guys. Starting to look nice. So, road. The road, you guys, from 1 to 10. How much? What do you think? Just the road. From 1 to 10. Chat. Hmm? You don't even have a dirt road? Can you stay on topic, bro? I didn't ask that question. I didn't ask whether it's a dirt road or a stone road. I asked, what do you think? 6? 3D sculpting, as if it was 2D sculpting cap. Cack. Lighting is a bit off, / not enough. Yeah, maybe. 6.8, design 8, rendering 5. Okay, bro. Well, the perspective of the light doesn't seem right, Cakes. The fireball is more to the left. Foreground, so the light should technically overlap with the grass and dirt. Yeah, it should, but I'm too lazy to do that right now. This should be brighter here. I know. We should have a little bit of a brightness level with this. But then again, I'm not really good with these colors here. But again, like, listen. So I think this is fine. We're just gonna keep it this way. And we'll move on, okay? So now that we are done with this, I think I'm gonna merge down the road to the background. Now the background is this. And what we have to do next is fill in some of the colors for the trees, for the mountains, but don't spend too much time on this. Like, for example, what I want to do here is make sure that we just fill in these so that it looks filled out, and that's it. Not much more. And then the rest of the image over time will get fixed. We'll do the same thing for the tangerines. Like adding shading and all of this will be done over time later. It is not that important. Right. Whoops. What is important right now is just filling this in, that it looks decent enough. And the player can somehow tell what's going on. Yeah, it's World of Warcraft, guys. Log in. Hey, 4E, good morning, man. How's it going, bro? Hope you have a good day, brother. There we go. We're gonna do this. And I think I can... Yeah, look at that, guys. Looking good. We'll also fill in these wooden blocks here and the stones. Everything that needs to be filled in. Uh-oh. Zoe. Uh-oh. Zoe. Shh, 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 shh. No, Zoe! No! Wait, didn't I fill this in here? Uh-oh. Okay, that looks good. There we go. Okay, so now we have that mountain done. Can you guys hear Zoe? Dad is drawing pixel art instead of fixing bugs. My wife's making food right now, that's why. Let's hope that Zoe is done. That she's done soon. I think I didn't fill out this bush here or something. Okay. Oh, wrong color. Wait, I want to see where she went. Sag mal. Hey! Wie kannst du so weit gehen? Huh?
Bitch! That's a problem.
Daddy, chill.
Hey, Chad, we have a problem.
Retard.
We have a problem, you guys. Zoe is starting to crawl. Zoe is starting to crawl, man. Holy. She's starting to move places. You leave her on the ground for too long, she's gone, man. Here you go, yeah.
Das sieht's mir das! Das sieht's mir das!
Okay. How old is she? Almost 7 months. 6.5, something like that. Now parroting begins. Yeah, now it's gonna be crazy. Okay, let's fill in these. We need to have a wooden color that is different than the road. Should we repeat the road color here? Like, let's say this color here? What do you guys think? On these? Huh. 10 Minuten.
2 Minuten.
Ach, 2 Minuten. Okay, 2 minutes here.
Bis die Soße wird.
Hello, baby. Oh no, that's my headphones. No. You can't. Do you take these? You can't take these. That's my headphones. Don't take them. Get them it. Okay, we have a visitor for 2 minutes. Okay, so it is 3:58 right now, so 2 minutes before 4 p.m. So at 4 p.m, mommy's gonna come and take you, right? Water bottle? Yeah, I'm gonna have this big one.
Am I so out of touch? No.
B1Geez just subscribe.
Oh man, Buggies. Appreciate it, bro. Okay, guys, let's just start drawing things here. So I wanted to have a dark green. So you wanna talk? Or should I talk? Okay, Zoe's gonna talk, guys. I'm just gonna shut up. Ja. You angry or something? Nein, ich möchte noch nicht. Ich bin fett, okay? Später. Ich muss weniger essen. Later. I need to eat later, my brothers. I'm too fat. Guys, I've reached 96 kilograms again. Not good. I need to start fasting. Starting the carnivore diet again. Go to the gym. Work out. Lift weights. It's crazy, man. Crazy how fast you get fat, man. Ridiculous. 96 rookie numbers. Bro, I'm usually like 80 kilograms, bro. 16 too much. And I can feel it. I can feel it too, man. It is not good. Yeah. Zoe? What is it? What is it, Zoe? Ooh, you angry? Okay, so now, I think if I look at this correctly, I remove the background here, and then I also remove the tangies. There is a hole. Yes, exactly. We need to fix that hole. So then we can select here too. And then what we can do is Control W. Zoe, she's grabbing my entire, whatever that's called. Okay, and then G. What color should we put in here? What? How tall are your cakes? 190 centimeters. Oops, that's the wrong color. I think that's too bright, guys. If we do this color. I think that looks good. What do you guys think? This for the color of these. And then we have this shading here going on. Maybe have these lines be a little bit more, be a little darker. Cakes, look, Zoe, you will finish this one day after you inherit. Okay, bro. Baggies, did I also shout you out? Thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Bist du Vater? Yeah, I am. I have my baby right here. My wife said 2 minutes. It's been 4 minutes. And now she says she's done, but she's not here. She's still doing something, you know? You know how these people that say they are done, but they're not actually done? Because done means you can walk out the door. But they still need to grab something. Mm-hmm. See, like, my definition of being done is I'm actually done. Right. Whee! You said demo 2024 too. Yeah, but I apologized and I said I was wrong. You can't make this up. Did you hear that? Is someone at the door right now? You can't make this up, bro. Do I have to stream at night so no one goes here? I just can't believe this, bro. What's going on? Can I get 5 minutes of peace? Holy shit, brother. Okay, it's fine. It's fine, bro, you guys. That looks good. So. Let's shade this. Let's speedrun this, guys. It's been way too long already. Okay. Okay. Oh, es ist schon 4 Uhr, Bro. Holy. So, guys, what do you think? Shit. ADHD. I think I'm spending a little bit too much time on this. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours? It looks okay, I guess. I like it though. It makes fun. It's fun, Brian. Look at this, guys. It is really fun. It looks good, man. Holy. You need to read some Marcus Aurelius Cakes. External annoyances must not affect you. Bro, what are you talking about? When you're trying to concentrate on something and there's constantly something going on? I don't think that's possible, brother. What do you mean? There's no way that's possible. I just don't think so. Okay. So that looks good. Right? How many of you guys could work with being interrupted a lot? Tell me, guys. Be honest, okay? Be honest. Could you work when you have that many interruptions? It's possible, it's all you. So what you're saying is, when someone opens your door, comes into your room, runs by you, behind you, no problem for me. Yeah, and my office is in the basement as far away from people as possible. Nah, yeah, so for me that would be too. That is the same thing, bro. Yeah. Kind of the same thing, bro. I could not. Yeah, me neither, bro. I'm extremely sensitive to any noise. Yeah, me too. It depends, of course, as well. Okay, looking good. Now here I want to do a different... That...
Let me fucking hear you, dumb fucking asshole!
I wanted to relax. I wanted to relax.
Look at this guy, man, cursing so much.
God,
What
that
a,
triggered me.
what a newbie. What a newbie. See, by the way, if Haskars wouldn't have done the
Then we
the
do
Steam capsule,
control,
that's what we would have been doing.
and then I search for minus. There we go. Okay, so let's try this
Holy
again.
crazy how deep my microphone was there. Damn.
God damn it!
Excuse me, so. Damn, I'm good. Holy. I like subs cover the stream, lol, if people do enough subs. No, subs is... That's not subs, that's something that should probably change. It is... people redeeming clips that can be played on top of the stream, and they use that to interrupt me a lot. Sometimes it is really obnoxious. I should probably get rid of it. I know people hate me saying that, but that's just what I'm thinking, honestly. Okay, let's continue here. The next one is this, and then it ripples down a little bit because that's the background. So let's not spend much more time on this. All we need to do is make sure that we select... Let's get rid of them skeletons. The skeletons are in front of this, so that's fine. We need a normal ink, simple ink. And then just complete that, however that looks, and that complete that here too. Just so, let's see the sprites again. So yeah, we need to have... All of this needs to connect. Yeah. Okay, now we can fill this in with some color, however we want to. And that's it. Also, there's more here, right? This one. Yeah, we're gonna do that next, after this. Okay, now all we need to do is shade this in a way that makes sense. Like, for example, we want to shade these obviously at the top. Shade these at the top a little bit, and then maybe have a little bit of this going on here. Something like that looks good, and then could also have some shading here, and then this here has the same. Something like that. I have a feeling that that's bad, because they are almost entirely covered by the other stuff. This one might have something. Alright, so we just do this here. on that one. And then here we have maybe a little bit of light there, and this one will probably be completely dark. We have these two, making it even darker, so we probably have some darkness levels here. Right, so making it darker as it goes down, and then obviously some darkness here. There you go. And then the same thing for this one here. There you go. Again, not gonna spend too much time on this because I'm pretty sure someone in the future, I can pay someone or something to fix this pixel art, or I'll just do this off stream when I have time. It's more about getting the general feel. I think that looks good enough. Obviously, we need to have some of these things going on here, which means simple ink. Instead of having these hard edges, we have the darker brown colors, if that makes sense. Is this even darker? It's difficult to say. These hard edges usually, they look bad, right? So we want to have this. There you go. I think that makes it look much cooler and better. But then the rest will be outlines so that we can, what is it called? We can see that this is an object that draws a little bit of attention, which is nice. There you go. And here too. I just do a little bit. There you go. Wow, that looks nice. I like that a lot. What do you guys think? There you go. Let's see this in combination with the background. Not bad, right? I think it looks okay. Oh, man. Yeah. It's coming together, isn't it? So my goal is to fill in these. These are more wooden things. This one too. Then fill in these stones a little bit and then leave it as that for now. And I'm gonna work on the Tangy Defense logo. I might just keep it the way it is actually. I like it. I might fix some of these here, but other than that, I think it looks good. I especially like how he repeatedly states, let's not spend too much time on this, and then just keep spending time. Well, I mean, it does need to... Oh my god, there's more wood here. Yikes. Okay, I'll do that off stream. Dude, what did I miss? Where did those birds come from? These birds? That's a type of enemy in the game that I'm thinking of doing. It's a bat enemy. Art is fun. It is fun though, yes. You're right. Alright, let's see here. Background, bats, Tangys. Okay, so this one's gonna be difficult. We have to somehow... B? To somehow draw... all of these. And fill this in. So this one's gonna be a bit faster. Start with this. Can Nintendo sue you for what? No way. Shading. For what would they sue me, brother? For making a good game? No, for real though, I don't think they can. Like, what would they even sue me for? I don't have anything from Nintendo in my game, bro. Now, Bloons TD, I don't... So, like, I've been looking at Bloons TD a lot, right? I don't even think Bloons TD can sue me. To be completely honest with you guys, because it is way too transformative. Like, unless you can sue someone for having... I don't know, an upgrade menu or something? I just don't see it. But then again, you never know. Soon, my brothers, soon. We shall be done. And that day is gonna be glorious. I can't wait. Ragebeer, thank you very much for following. We can't wait either. Yeah, I suppose. So tomorrow, if I get this thing done, we will work on some more gameplay, but for the most part, we need to get Steam API working, guys. I need to collect your data while you play. So that meaning we need to look at Steam API tomorrow. Would you guys find that interesting? What do you guys think? Is that an interesting topic to do? To work on? Yeah? Like figuring out how to integrate it into C++ and then... That's awesome to hear, okay. Yeah, that's what we need to do next. Because we need to implement... what is it called? No? Data collection. I need to collect your data, how long you play and stuff. Even for those people that play my game and then give me the video, that's awesome. But we also have to have that for the people that when they launch the demo and they don't even know about me or anyone, right? They play the game randomly on Steam because they find it. Because they're searching for tower defense games. Those people we need to collect the data from. And then figure out, well, how long do they play? And do they like or hate the game, right? That's also big. And we can tell by that by where they quit, when they quit. We need to make that intelligent too. So for example, maybe we can figure out what was the last thing they did before they quit and stuff like that. I've never used the Steam API, so I have no idea how exactly that works. But what we have seen from the videos that we have watched is it's essentially you define your own values. And so let's say someone is in town and quits the game. We could define a value that gets written when someone quits the game in town. When someone presses Alt F4, we could figure that out too. Stuff like that. I'm gonna buy and leave it open for weeks to skew data. Yeah, but that would be an outlier. Cakez, did you try Rust before? No, I did not, and I'm not too dumb for Rust. You're wrong. Oh, yikes. Okay, wait. So I have to kind of copy this over now. So I need to go into the Tangy, select her. The hair too. And I forgot one. Okay. Mm-hmm. This one too, I guess. Bro. Okay, that's getting a little bit ridiculous right now. Mm-hmm. God, I just love art, man. It's so relaxing. It's crazy. Such a vibe. Oh, this one too, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, the mouth as well. Okay, lady. There you go. And the shield. Don't tell me it will break on the shield. I'll cry. Good, 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 good. I did a good job. And we copy that from the sprites over to the Tangies. So that she's in front of her. Wow, that's starting to look really good, you guys. Look at that. Hello, Jose. Good morning. Just got here. Why are you pixelating the banner? So, is it not good to not pixelate it? Because I don't know how to draw anything else other than pixel art. And it's easier for me in the future to just fill in this stuff using pixel art rather than fill this in using real art, if that makes sense. Because I'm just not a good pixel artist. Looking good, Cakes. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Awesome to hear, bro. I need to write bindings for Steamworks API. Cakes later. I'm average. Our players take 100 hours to beat level 1. So for the demo, I want that actually. Okay, here's one more. So we need to go into the background and then get rid of this. So one more. This one right here. Okay, let me just... That one is difficult. Just do that. Zack, zack, zack. Make that really quickly here, like that. Boom. Looking good, and then we just do normal, simple ink. Take that. Bloop, 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 bloop. Would you look at that, my brothers? There you go. Last one is this right here. Let's make that 2 really quickly. I guess we do this. Ah, it's open here, isn't it? Oh, that sucks. So it kind of goes from here to, I guess, here. Still, I see. So one more. Okay. Now that's gonna be a bit darker. Shading. I guess in general. Think here too. This is their umhang in English. It's not actually that thing. Bro, I can't really make... so this is a block. This is a block. And I guess this is a block. This is not supposed to be part of the image. Same as this. There you go. So once I'm done with basically this and maybe a little bit more, I'll do more stuff off stream. Then we'll start animating the different pieces up and down. The skeletons. Because there's just too much to do. I just wanted to get the basic idea here in place. And then we'll fine-tune that over time. Mm-hmm. That looks good. Like it. This one too. Okay, let's see. That's the last thing. Is this the reference image? You already have this without pixelness? I have this without pixelness. Yeah, the reference image is here. Again, I have it in the game right now. That's what it looks in the game. It looks okay, but I can't animate this. I can't separate these. It's a still image. So I would still have to somehow draw the image. And so I thought, well, I have a pixel art game. I'll make this in pixel art in my game. That is my main menu then. And I think it looks better. Look. I think this looks better. Okay, there's one last thing here. I'm gonna actually hand draw this right now. Because otherwise it will take too long. That one. Oh, Tangy's as well. Wait, that's a bit odd. Wait, now I'm confused. What? Did I not draw completer in the drawing? Or did I delete this line here? Uh-oh, it didn't copy some of the values over, did it? Oh my god, I broke some, I see. Okay, well, fine. I guess I'll have to redraw the eyes and the lips, but okay, fine. Oh, fine. Let's not start drawing in the wrong location, though. It's okay. It's totally okay. Cakez, do you ever think of doing something and not 2 seconds later forget what it was? Oh yeah, I do. All the time. Happens. There you go. Oh. Cool. Fine, we'll add shading to this too. Okay, B. Shading. We definitely want to shade this. These nuts. Then we obviously want to do that here, something like that. And obviously there's shading here. And then we want to do normal ink and replace those lines with these. There you go. Okay, cool. That's it. Let's start animating the different pieces. So for example, we have in the skeletons, I want to build 5 skeletons. That will be number 1. Let's get the first one here. That will be the first. And we will draw him on top of this entire image. Number 1, what I need to do is first take a look at how this looks. Now, this is going to be empty, by the way, when I do this. No? Oh, I see. It's still here. I'm gonna change the picture now. Now we get to coding, you guys. See, this is the background that I loaded in yesterday. Let's keep that. And then over here we have 640 by 360. And obviously the Atlas position is different too. This case we have... where is it? 3440 by 2416. There you go. Let's see. That's the difference. I think it works. I think it looks better comparatively. What do you guys think? I think it fits the game better. Switch back and forth a few more times. Yeah, we will. So that's what it is currently, and that's what we had before. Use that clipboard side thingy? Yeah, that's a good idea. I think right now this looks a bit better because it's higher definition. Where is this, by the way? What is this called? Compare. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Drop the first file and then... I love the game, you guys. I love that. Wait, that's... this. Copy. And paste that here. I mean... like night and day? No, no, no. Not yet. Not better yet. Emo, the road is a good addition though. Not better yet, agreed. Cause the background here is a little... that's a little bit broken, right? It looks better in this image. The castle looks better. The mountains... okay. It does look better. I really like the contrast the outlines provide. Yeah, me too. Especially with the roads. But this is where we go to the next level. This is just level 1. Watch this. We're gonna do level 2. And that will be... we have sprite main menu. Skeleton. We're gonna do a bunch of these. 6 in total. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 skeletons. There we go. Now this will be great. I don't think it's better right now, but being able to animate it improves it a lot more. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do right now. All we need to do, and that's the cool thing, is go here into the layer of the skeletons and select them one by one and then place them in positions in the atlas. So for example this. We need to copy that and okay, so where do we place these? Oh, I see. We need to okay, sprites, maybe move this away. Aha, so it's not great. Where is this? I just love how having 10 million layers. Guys, is there a way to figure out the layer of this just by clicking on this? Hello? Which layer are you on, bro? Huh? You kidding? Huh? There's no way. I have... wait, it is. Okay, so that's some weird stuff going on here, bro. I think I'm losing my mind. Let's put this here then. It's out of the way. Okay, now. Sprites. The first... oh my god, that looks amazing. I just can't wait. Okay, let's put these next to each other. close enough. Okay, let's see. How big is this sprite? Oh, not that big actually. Okay, 112, 208. You haven't even woken up the day yet. This was the dream. You had to do everything again. Bro, don't say that. 3,440. That stays the same. That's nice. The Y position changes. 2,192. 2,192. Okay, so we have... Wait, 5? Okay. First skeleton. Done. This is the main menu. Do menu background. There it is. So we draw the sprite. And this is where we'll probably do UI. And we do UI, change layer 1. And we do one back. We draw another sprite. Skeletons. First skeleton. Now this is where we have to place them, right? That will be difficult to place, so I'm just gonna do world size.x divided by 2. And then the size, obviously, that. And now, obviously, we have to do... What I want to do here... that's Y, by the way. I want to add some sort of a const float Y offset. And animate that, obviously. So, what do we do here? I want to do a sine F. From the game state. Real time. Now we have a +1, -1 alteration. And then I guess we can plus that in. For now, that would be a little bit of movement. Not too much. Let's just see what this looks like. And obviously it's not drawing it because I don't think I saved it yet. There it is! Oh my god! Okay. Wait a minute. Just wait. Now we have to position it. Hard-coded positions for the win. That's a bit too much. 56, maybe? We have to create the illusion, of course. What about 57? Is that too much? Aha! So 56 it is, okay. Wait, never mind. It is literally 54 or 55. 55, and then over here the position is... Well, let's just do world size.y minus 60. I can imagine these bats flying towards the... Oh wow, that's... minus 80. Flying towards the green screen, like getting over it. Minus 100? Ooh, okay, almost. 104? Now, obviously what we need to do, right, is... we need to replace what's behind there, of course. And now I'm gonna do this for the rest of the skeletons, see how it looks, and then that will be the first iteration. But yeah, that's what I wanted to do. What do you guys think? Let me do all of it. So it's obviously minus 103. That would be the first. Let's add the other skeletons in as well. We have the first one here, then we get this one, this bad boy right here. Skeletons, copy. Put that on sprites. It goes to here. I guess we do this. That's the next one. Oops. It's this. 128.48. Okay. Okay, so where is it starting? 3552. And then 2352. 2352. 7 more days, only 13 months late. Okay. That's the next skeleton. That one too. No, it's fine. I'm not gonna ban him because I'm just gonna make sure that he's never gonna say that again by releasing the demo version. And it's not late in my opinion, to be honest. If you need 2 years, 3 years, 4 years for your game, why is that bad? If you stick with your game and it takes you 4 years, 5 years, 3 years to make your first game, what's the problem? Now, obviously, that's the hardest route to do, but it's still viable. It still works. It's not like there's one way to do this, only one way. That's not how this works, bro. Skull and Bones, Ubisoft, quadruple A. Yeah, but these guys are idiots. Sorry to say that. But AAA companies have been infected by the wrong people. So I'm talking about indie games. I'm not talking about AAA. AAA is a different story. There's very few developers left, like From Software, that make really, really good games, AAA games. Speed to Goon, thank you very much for following, and RageB as well. Welcome, you guys. Good morning. I hope you're doing good, man. I love art, man. I love that shit. Yeah. Aren't you happy that we're gonna release the demo soon? Oh, you can play the game. God, I'm so happy that I finally got done with my work, bro. I'm so relaxed. I feel like I smoked 10 million joints. That's crazy, bro. Watch my wife come in. Can you please be a bit more quiet? Zoe is sleeping, please, okay? We can't be so loud all the time. No! Not today. Not today. Wife nacheffen, divorce soon. It's all in good spirits, okay? Hell yeah, that's the second last skeleton. Then we're gonna put this guy somewhere here or something. Wow, that looks so... Haskas is such an amazing... Bro, this guy is so good. By the way, I'm gonna probably find someone... Guys, if someone in chat wants to take this image and make it look like real good pixel art, right? Hit me up. Maybe we can get to talk. I didn't ask you, Solfam, okay? You don't feel angesprochen in English, bro. Let me check YouTube really quickly. Obviously, there have been a million new messages. Great. Sorry about this. Rust compiler is often wrong with the barrel checker. Oh, barrel checker, please. Looks actually great. You should ask your artist to help with other stuff as well, like your refund button. Yeah, thank you. I think the art in the font should have higher contrast, maybe black outlines, than the stuff in the back should be more subtle, lower contrast values. Yeah, I agree. But it's the main menu. It's not going to be the Steam capsule. But yeah, I agree. What's the most disliked? What is the most disliked thing in modern C++ in your opinion? Smart pointers. And templates. Everywhere. Everything builds off of smart pointers. And it's just causing a huge confusion, and then together with templates, in my opinion, it just creates an unreadable mess that no layman is able to read that. Which, in my opinion, is bad, because even laymen can understand how code operates if the code is easy to read. If the code says add to list person, it's easier to read than add to list T. And then yeah, that's my honest opinion. Listen, you guys can have a different opinion, but yeah, that's why. I hate smart pointers. I think they don't fix anything. They're just obfuscating the real problem, which is terrible programming skills, not knowing how to use memory properly. Now, I'm not saying that I know how to use memory properly, okay? Don't put words into my mouth. But I don't think smart pointers help. Ever. If you have to use smart pointers, you have too many allocations. That's what I think. So yeah. That can be a whole debate, brother. Like, you can spend years on this. Okay, we need to make sure that this does not interleave. Now, I think it's here. Just gonna move this up by 2 pixels. Okay, let's see. That's the last, guys. Oops. Then we have all of them skeletons in the game. That's good. Slowly dissecting this. Shit. God damn it. I started my little project with unique pointers to the essential stuff. But I made them normal const pointers after a while because I just could not get around why I would be using that. Shared pointer for threading should be nice though. No. I think shared pointers for threading is incredibly dangerous because there's so many hidden behaviors that you don't know of. We have read an entire article on that, and I agree with the article. There's so many things that could go wrong there. Now, I forgot the link to the article, but it's in a YouTube video. Shared pointer is an anti-pattern. I think it's just too confusing, to be honest. That whole shared pointer, smart pointer in general, threading, all of that together. Double click and drag the selected tile-sized intervals. Oh yeah, you could do that, right. Too late. Done now. I appreciate the support though. Thank you very much, Mr. AQ, for telling me. The reason it's confusing is because you're abstracting an issue that wasn't even an issue to begin with. Yeah. Exactly. Because it ties hand in hand with OOP. Exactly. So easy, you guys. Watch this. Now, skeleton 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's begin. Okay, so skeleton 2 is this one at the bottom. Okay. Let's put this on, let's try 200. Excuse me. And then that will probably be like 30 or something. And then the next one is on 300 for sure. This one, let's say, oh my, that's probably 500. And then this one is, well, 600 probably. And then this one will be higher up. Minus, let's say, 160 or 50. And then over here, these will all be probably something like minus 30 or 40. Alright, so we should have a basic what is it called? Basic Anordnung in English for these now. Let's see. Okay, so obviously we wanna not have them... We don't want them to be animated the same way, but it's starting to look good. So let's begin with this. The second skeleton. We need to move him a little bit further to the left, so that would be, I don't know, 160? This doesn't look good, just wait. It will. Just wait, it will look good. You have to wait. I'm not done yet. This is an iterative process, and it will... Still 5 minutes. It won't look bad. This guy just wants to argue. Just wait. It's not done yet. Obviously, it looks bad right now, bro. Okay? But it won't. Just wait. It's not that difficult to understand, brother. Okay? Bro, why is he back?
Who unbanned him?
Mr. Amida, can you stop unbanning people? That ban must deserved. Now watch this. So this is real time plus 1. See how this alternates now? This one is in a different position. And that's how we're gonna alternate these. Next. Skeleton here. Actually, I'm gonna put this to the left. So we can see that a little bit better. Uh-oh. Just noticed something. He's broken here. The third skeleton... is... 208. Oh, I'm stupid. Wait a minute. I'm so dumb. Wait, the third is 208 in X? But it... How's he cut off then, though? Wait, maybe it's the wrong position. 3680. Ah! Yeah. Okay. He only stated his opinion that doesn't align with yours. How is that deserved? It's a joke, bro, okay? Don't take it too serious. But he was wrong. He insisted on being right, but he was wrong. Now that will be 560 as well. Ooh. Then that will be 52, let's say. Okay, that's 50 maybe? 10 pixels. Okay, now we have to actually move this a bit higher. So that would be 34. Nah, 36 probably. Yeah, sounds more like that. If you allocate in pools or groups, there's only one lifetime to manage. Exactly. If you... 2 more. So maybe 40. Maybe 40 is the right one. And then further to the left. So that would be the 340, I guess. Oh, wait, no, not 48, maybe? Bro, imagine spending time on this when your animations are bugged, literally freezes when round ends and you sit there and do trash pixel art. No, that's not true. What do you mean? That's not true, bro. So it is, I think, 2 or 3 pixels too high, so that would be 37 when it goes to the highest. And then obviously this will be 0.5. Okay, now then that's 38. There we go. Okay, so third skeleton done. This one here will be 544 maybe? Oh, that works if you have a shit ton of small objects. that you can easily pre-allocate like particles for general purpose allocations. It only creates unnecessary headaches. No, it doesn't. I don't think it does, bro. I think you're thinking too much in terms of, like, you can do one big allocation of your program and be done with it. The swords freeze mid-air when the round ends. Yeah, but that's on purpose. I'm not gonna change that. Dude, you have hot reload? How? I have a tutorial on that. And yes, it's from Handmade Hero. But my tutorial is shorter than his. Mine's like 15 minutes. His tutorial is 2 hours. So there you go, if you want to follow that. It's actually really cool to have. I would only use it. In all of my projects, I will use that from now on. It doesn't matter which language. You should use it in every single language. Let's see. What was I before? 50, 44, 38 maybe? And then this one a bit higher. Let's try 32. In a real program, not a game, you can't just pre-allocate everything. Yeah, say, give us a program that can't do that. Exactly. If you say that, right? Which, okay. But which program can't? Imagine Call of Duty pre-allocating 128. Well, no, you're wrong. We're not talking about textures here. We are talking, and that's also a different story. That's texture streaming. We are talking about the game needing this much. So we are talking about the array of entities, for example, in the world. We're talking about enemy lists. We're talking about hero lists. Let's say you have Call of Duty. Texture and streaming is the memory. Yeah, but texture streaming, let's say it like this. For texture streaming, in a game like Call of Duty, you wouldn't even do that. You're loading into a level, that takes time to load. At that point, it does the texture streaming. So at that point, when the program runs, then it needs to allocate a bunch of memory, upload the textures to the GPU, and then free that memory afterwards. But that is one part. And during that part, where the memory comes from doesn't really matter. But aside from that, that's all. There is nothing more. A texture streaming, that would also be sounds, everything that the level needs. And so that will then be this one allocation that might be useful to do. But that's one part of the program. And usually 99% of programs, let's say on Windows, if they are not games, they don't need that. Absolutely not. And you can see, like, for example, video editing software like this right here. Okay. This stuff takes up the entire RAM of your system. And if you have allocated memory in your program, pre-allocated, it doesn't mean that the system is using it. So for example, in my game, I think I'm using... I don't know how much I'm using, to be honest. I would have to check. Let me finish this and then I'll check, okay? Because it's not that much. 3 gigabytes? No, I think I'm allocating... like... Bro, it's difficult to say. Oh, hello there, Janet. Good morning. Thank you very much for the raid. Hello, my brothers. Good morning. We are currently building a menu that is animated with skeletons. What do you guys think? Let me fix this. Then it's a better effect. Wait, give me a second, guys. So that's going to be 580, right? And then we're going to move this down by, let's say, 10. So that would be 53. Right. And then we're also going to give it a plus 1.2 maybe. That's still too high. So how about we do minus... Ooh, is that 10 pixels? Probably not. Let's do 46. No, not 1,000. No. I don't see animations. No, you do, bro. Look. These skeletons are moving up and down. Okay, so just a tiny bit more. To the left. So that would be 76 maybe. I hope you had a good stream. What have you been doing? Welcome everyone. You guys are also coding in C++? Okay, we have... I think it's off by 1 pixel. So that'd be like 77. Now I can do it with the title too. Yeah, so that is something I want to do next. Write the title after this. There you go. What do you guys think? Hey, Mr. Cakez, how you doing? Thanks. How's the baby coming? Good. Thanks for asking, Robin Hoodster. Did you get a shout out, by the way? Yeah, you got. Awesome. Seagulls will use animations too, yeah. I just haven't gotten to them. You guys are the reason software is dead. What do you mean software is dead? That's not true. So what do you guys think of these skeletons animating? No, we are not supposed to see the old texture when it's moving. I didn't have time to draw this yet. So basically what I would need to do in the game here, behind these skeletons, number one, I would probably have to get rid of the skeleton layer. And then what we would do here is draw in sprites like this, have normal... Guys, question. Hallo.
Hallo.
Was?
Ich gehe.
Achso, brauchst du Hilfe?
Ich gehe komplett raus.
Achso, tschüss.
Du übernimmst die.
Nein! Nein!
Wie nein? Doch, sag mal, doch. Guck mal, ich bin süß. Verstanden.
Give me a second. I don't get the error. I did get the error. I did get the error yesterday, yes. Okay. 7 days, yeah. These people just don't respect me at all. Zero respect. Now I have a baby. Been working my ass off. And it's like, okay, you have the baby now, bye.
How's anyone gonna stay sane in this situation, huh? How's anyone gonna stay sane?
It's okay. I wanted to do a react today, guys, for the YouTube, you know? I can't do a react with Zoe on my arm. I don't want it to be in a video. Fuck the YouTube? No, you can say that. For me, it's important. Why not? Because she can't consent to being video typed yet. So she can't say yes or no. Man, how do I do this? I know how to do this in Paint. How do I do this in... So guys, I'll show you something. Or maybe I just have to copy this part here. Maybe that works. Okay, Zoe, I need to use both my fingers, okay? Please be careful. Yeah? Maybe this works. If I take this part here, copy this. Can I put this here? Okay, so it does work. Now I can't zoom in because I can only... Ah, okay, yeah, that's awesome. You're gonna cry now? Okay, nice. Thank you. God damn it!
Am I so out of touch? No.
Jix10008 just subscribed.
My man, I appreciate the support, bro. So the patch tool in here, you can use this, right? To move it like that. You see that? To basically get rid of some of the stuff here. Yeah, Zoe, I know they're all kinda annoying. I know that. Yeah, Zoe, I know. And then we could potentially just, you know, create some iteration like that so that it doesn't look too samey. And now the skeleton is gone. You see that? And now I need to do Control A while Zoe is completely taking everything from this desk and eating it. Awesome. And then we go back into a sprite and copy that in here. Please tell me that works. Okay, so that works at least. That's nice. And then what we can do here is just delete. Okay, Zoe, please stop destroying my working place, please. Okay. Yeah, Zoe, that would be amazing, please. That would be nice. Then we can, like, how do I merge this here with this in a way that makes sense? Like, now how do I blend these two together so that it makes sense? There must be some sort of merge tool, right? Oh my god! When do I get time to work on the game? Okay, wait, I need to get a bottle for her. Give me a second. Oh my god. This is unfair, man. Life's unfair. Oh, vielen Dank für das Spielzeug. That's gonna help. Totally gonna help. You need a rocker for her. Here. Play with the bottle. It's amazing Spielzeug. You can go hands-free. I can't. So, which thing? This here? What is this even doing? Uh-oh. What did I do? Yeah. So, what can I do in this situation here? Just want to select this part. Can I, like, blur or something? What does this do? Ah, that's bad. No. Maybe blur? What is this? Ah. I guess that could work in a way? Yeah, I guess that's it. It's not perfect, but yeah. Just get your artist to draw with layers. Yeah, but that wasn't it wasn't intended to be this. That's why. Okay, so now we have our the first thing done. And now you can see here that the skeleton moves and we can't tell if there's anything below the skeleton. Bro, you're mixing pixel art and non-pixel art? Yeah, I don't have time to draw the entire image. I just want to make it look good enough so that the main menu doesn't look trash. And I'm just gonna go and improve this over time. Five kisses are worth it? Absolutely. Yeah. I'm heavily thinking what I should do next, because it makes it really difficult to work on the game while having a baby here. So. She keeps tossing the bottle. What should I do, guys? What would you do in my situation? What would you guys do? Like, I need to find... I'm already giving her a bottle. And she just drank and ate. Go for milk. Think about that really hard. I'd say fuck you chitters and go play with Zoe. Cut the stream, play with her. Yeah. Good streaming and good at real job. Shut the fuck up. I want to be a game developer. Go eat a dick. Here you go, 5 minutes. Make the baby learn dev with you. Smart. Yeah. Kebab time. Let her play the game. Enjoy the moment with the kid. Yeah, I want to. I mean, I just set myself a deadline, that's why. Just give her something. No, it doesn't work. She can't sit here. She's been sitting a lot. She might need to sleep. Like, I might need to move around. I kinda don't like that she just gave me the baby, but I guess we're in this situation now. Yeah. It is how it is, guys. I'll talk to my wife and let's say we're gonna do some streams on the weekend. There's no point in continuing like this. She will be continuously crying. There's no point. Standing desk, this is how I did it. Yeah, we'll see, right? Ja, alles gut. 3 hours is a good attempt. I'm sad, man. Like, that's the one thing I just love doing the most, which is streaming. And it always gets cut short. I hate it. I'm sorry, guys. I have to leave. Yeah. So, I don't see anyone to raid. So, I'll just have to turn it off here. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Sorry about this. Yeah. Bye-bye, guys.